here to show you around the best coloring book in the whole world and the Wiggle-Waggle Coloring Book. Let's take a quick look-see first. Here are all the folders where I keep my pairs. I add to these all the time, so you can color forever.
Fourthware? Really?
Oh, hi, Jimmy.
Hello, Kathy.
Yup, that's what I meant, Jimmy. You can click on any folder. Go for more at any time. Over here are 2, 3, or more pictures from the folder.
You just mean you add pictures whenever?
Yep, that's what I meant, Jimmy. You can click on any folder, scroll for more at any time. Over here are 2, 3, or more pictures from the folder you picked. See how easy it is? Choose this angel, and there it is ready to be colored in. See this row? These are your coloring tools. I picked bucket fill. Choose a color, any color, then touch anywhere. Repeat as much as you want to. You may choose as many colors as you want to, as often as you want. Now I change to a brush. Pick the color blue. Watch this. Change to the marker. Watch this. Change to the pen. Watch this. Now change to the pencil. Watch this. From thick to thin. Sometimes you might color or draw and say, oh no, happens to us all. Here's an important tool called undo. See that? Undo removes your last coloring or drawing. This here is your eraser. I'll bet you already know what the eraser does. Let's see if I can ever find the right color to patch that up. Close but no cigar, folks. Not easy, but sure is fun. That's got it. Here's a fun tool. Play a song. Open this box to find a song. This list will grow as Kathy makes more music. It has Kathy's and music from Joe Pegasus, so there will more all the time. Choose a song. It will play, then move to the next song all by itself. Or you may choose pause to stop the music, and choose play to keep it going. Now watch this. This is why we call this Wiggle-Waggle. These buttons bring your picture to life. You can make your picture sway like jelly, or wobble around. Make it bounce. And check this out. It sparkles. This will stop all the motion. Here, aside the undo button, are very powerful tools. Will save your picture at any time. Go visit Grandma, come back 10, load it right back to finish it, and save it again. Reset will undo everything to start all over. But then use load to bring your saved picture right back. Download will send your picture to your computer or phone to share with everyone at home. Do you remember the motion buttons? Down here, these yellow buttons allow you to download your Wiggle-Waggles. You may download them as an animated GIF and as a video. Do this enough times and you can produce your own movie? Cool or what? When you're done, just choose the Return to Kathy and Janice link under the coloring book. Choose the flag, to enter Kathy and Janice's world of fun, games, books, movies, and more.
Now everyone should be ready to color, create, wiggle, and waggle to a happy song.
If you're still not sure, go ahead and play with the Wiggle Coloring Book.
Go ahead and play with the Wiggle-Waggle Book. Have fun!
If you get stuck, just choose that show, Hi button to watch us again.